Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire 12070T True RMS Auto Ranging Multimeter, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The 12070T has the features needed for the professional electrician. The rugged design offers 1000 volt overload protection on all ranges and an IP67 rated double molded housing that is water resistant and dust tight. Its Cat 4 600 volt safety rating allows use in high power circuits such as main distribution panels and service entrances. Its true RMS reading provides more accurate AC voltage and current readings in the presence of harmonic distortion. This distortion is common on electrical loads such as fluorescent lights, computers, and other electronic devices. Added features include a large backlit display, capacitance for testing motor starter and run capacitors, max min and peak hold for capturing voltage fluctuations and temperature and frequency functions. A magnet and Velcro strap are included for hanging the meter onto metal equipment doors. The 12070T comes complete with instructions, test leads, temperature probe, battery, and storage case. The combination of features and functions make the 12070T a great value for the professional electrician. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.